Thank you.
Please raise your hands so we can check your restraints. Thank you for riding safely and enjoy your ride.
What? How could I hear anything? Oh, it kicks off really good. It's here. And here comes the Hyperia off-axis. Whoa. Twist like this, I gotta keep myself focused.
Drag your feet on the platform. Again, please remain seated until the ride has come to a complete stop. Please do not drag your feet on the platform.
I did it again.
Please remain seated once again. Please remain seated. Remain seated.
They got
It is now
you.
safe to exit the ride. Thank you for riding on Piers and enjoy the rest of your stay here at Morey's Piers.